Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Complete home renovation. How it is to live in a complete crazy home renovation. Woo! What's up, everybody? What's up, everybody? Woo! Woo me today, that's right. Woo me today. You can call me the Beast. You can call me Matt. You can call my lady Thumper. You can call her Diane. You can call my dog Rocky, or you can call him the Beast. But I call him Rocky. And sometimes I call him the Beast. And why am I looking at the camera like this right now? Woo! That's right. You see this beautiful DeWalt bucket? That's right. I'm going to show you right now. The lady has not been too happy with me lately. Alright? This is a DeWalt bucket. And that is that's right, a toilet seat. So that way we can go to the bathroom. Alright? At least we put the Febreze bags in there. And now that I touched the toilet seat, I don't want to touch anything else, so I'm going to sanitize my hands while I talk to you. And you already seen that video, right? If you didn't see it, there's our toilet. And where is it all sitting? That's right, in our kitchen, our future kitchen in this big fixer-upper home renovation project. All of our home projects. Our toilet is sitting in our future pantry. How disgusting, right? Now I'm going to take you down for a second. Alright? I didn't know how else to tell you, so that way you really understand. And you probably can't even see it. Brothers and sisters, it's July 29th, alright? I'm going to take you off this tripod for a second. It is July 29th. July 29th of 2020, alright? July... Hey, I had to jump in real quick. Woo! I had to jump in real quick while I'm editing this video. I threw in a little clip from this winter, and that is part of Part B that's going to be coming out on this bathroom total remodel and everything else, and why we actually had to move and take out the bathroom completely, because it was completely full of mold from the attic inside the walls, and the whole bathroom floor was rotted out. So when I have some more time this whole weekend, and this coming up weekend, I'm going to edit and place and make that video, and then I'll have it out for you all this coming up next week. So look for it in the first part of August of 2020. Woo! What do you not do when you're insulating your attic? This is one thing right here. I'm going to flip you around. You do not put faced insulation on top of faced insulation, okay? 29th. That says August, but technically it's not August. It is July. It's the end of July. All right? This morning, it's been a rough one. It's been a rough one for the Beast at the house. I woke up this morning, positive outlook on the day, and truth of the matter is, it's hectic living in a fixer-upper. It's hectic living in a complete home renovation. That is why I decided to start making this YouTube channel and posting stuff to YouTube and posting stuff to Instagram and wherever else. So that way I can show you what it's really like to go through all the daily living struggles. Now, I told my wife to go to work. She went to work today. And when she got off work, I said, why don't you stay at your girlfriend's house after work? Alright? The lady she works with. And let's do this till Friday. So I have 2 days. 2 days. I have today, which is Wednesday. I got Thursday. And actually, technically, I got 3 days. It's all Friday, right? Because back here was where our bathroom was sitting. Alright? And I don't blame her to be frustrated, because having no toilet for almost a year and having to take our Febreze bags, that's right, our Febreze bags, to the campgrounds, or myself having to go downstairs, and I'm not even going to explain how you have to put that into the tank. But anyhow, it's disgusting. It's not fun. So, I figured to make life a little bit easier and better, even though I have 300 million other projects to work on, I said to her, I said, why don't you, she doesn't even know, I said, take the next 3 days, recoup, have a real bathroom, have a real toilet, have a real bath, a real shower, a real toilet, and this beast is going to detour himself all the way into this back. We're going farther back. Back here. The beast is going to work on this future bathroom. I have to stop the basement project right this second for the next so many days. At least we have a fake stand-up shower that's going to go into the basement. It's just a freestanding shower we picked up at Home Depot. That'll be later on down the road video. It is a just a temporary shower you just put together for a kit and set on a floor anywhere you want to in a house, and just hook up your water lines. But I'll talk about that down the road. But I'm going to shut off the air conditioner, which I already did, for our window, and take this plastic down and put in a toilet down here in this back part of the area. So that is what today is going to be, and the next so many days. So I will be talking to you soon, but that is going to be the video that's going to be coming up. Me putting in a temporary, now that's right, it's still going to be a toilet, but it's going to be a temporary toilet because my plumbing lines and everything else are not ready to actually install the toilet the right way, and I don't have my flooring done and everything else. So I'm going to show you step by step on how I'm going to DIY hack, that's right, DIY hack a toilet. It's going to be a hack job, that's right. I'm going to hack a toilet into our floor so we can actually flush it. But I cannot wait to work outside again. Brothers and sisters, I cannot wait to work more on my privacy fence. We have, it might not look that long from this window, but it's about almost 300 feet of privacy fence that I'm putting up in the backyard with all our great landscaping. Woo! Our deck will be out there eventually. But for now, I'm going to be plugging in my shop lights and taking this plastic down. And that plastic was put up so the air conditioner, window air conditioner, can blow the cold air into the bedroom, and then so we can feel a little cold at night when it's so hot and humid. But that's what the beast is going to be up to. So I thought maybe if I do that, the lady will love me a little bit more again. I know, let me know in the comments below how long you would want to go without a toilet. A real toilet, and not using a bucket. Or all the way into the dungeon, because, you know, us guys, we can just stand up and go anywhere. That's right, she has to walk all the way down into this nasty, nasty, nasty basement. Don't worry, the water's clean. Woo! And use our bum guards bucket. How long would you want to do that for? That's right. How long? How long would you want to do that for? I wouldn't want to do it. But you know what? We've had to do it for over a year now. And thank gosh to videos and pictures, because I was going through some pictures just to post to Instagram, and I saw a year update pictures. A year ago today. Look at these. A year ago today. And then I backtracked. And I saw we have been without an actual flushable toilet for too long. Too long. So, all the way down here into the basement, I'm going to turn you around again. I got, there's my plumbing stack, basically. So I'm going to cap off all these for temporary, where we're going to be having our bathroom and our sinks and everything else. I'm going to cap off all those outlets and move where the toilet was and put that there. And I'll take you step by step through that process coming up in the next few days. Look for that video, and it will go from there. It's going to be a temporary toilet hack job. I have to drill a hole into the floor. I'm going to build a form to set the toilet on and go from there, and we'll see how it works, and hook up a couple temporary water lines so that way we can at least go to the bathroom easier. And then eventually I'm going to bring that shower that I showed you upstairs so we don't have to use our big Rubbermaid tub right here. That's right, our big Rubbermaid tub. That is how the lady and I have to bathe in this great hot tub. Woo, that is a great hot tub, isn't it? That's a great hot tub. So, stay tuned. Woo! And by the way, thank you for subscribing to my channel. I had 2 people subscribe to this crazy beast channel, so thank you very much about that. Thank you. And I did get my cement mixer put together, but like I said, I'm going to be putting the basement on pause so that way I can get the miss at least a toilet. A toilet. That's all. A toilet. And maybe she'll give me some. Woo, love! Please give me some love! Woo, love! She has not been in the mood to give me no love. Woo! That's real life, living in a fixer-upper. No toilet? That ain't no joke.